Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve if the given binomial is a factor of the given polynomial by using long division. Now to determine if it's a factor, you set up your long division. Then 9m and 60m 3m cubed gets you 7m squared because that multiplies to make that. There is another way of doing it, but you couldn't think of 9m equaling 63m cubed, but this way it will take forever. Then you divide by m, then you divide by m, then those m, then it would be like, you know what, that way is harder. Just do it this way. 63m cubed. Got it? Plus 42m squared. Now, multiply by a negative. That'll be 10, negative 90m squared minus 15m minus negative 10m gets you negative 90m squared, so negative 10m 90m squared minus 60m 60 minus 15, that gets you 45m. So this is what you do now. So 9 times 5, so 9m plus 5 times 5 gets you 45, so it's plus 5 to get you 45m plus 30. You multiply by a negative, you get 0, so yes, it is a factor. Now, pretty easy, huh? Let's do a harder one. I'm starting it like this to save up space. Gotta save them trees. Those trees, actually. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Squared. Okay, so 2m cubed plus 18m squared plus 24m minus 10 divided by 2m plus 4. So we're going to just set this up really quick. 2m cubed plus 18m squared plus 24m minus 10 divided by 2m plus 4. Now, do the easier way. Whatever way is easier for you. Everybody's different. And if you need help, just send me a message and I'll get to it when I can. So 2m and 2m cubed, that would be m squared. You get you 2m cubed plus 4m squared multiplied by a negative 14m squared plus 24m 2m, no, 7m, that would be 14m squared plus 28m. Negative 28 and 24, that gets you negative 4m minus 10 minus 2m. Actually, no, minus 2 just to get you negative 4m minus 8. And then you get negative 2. Now, you can check this multiple ways. Like what I'm going to do is 2m plus 4 equal to 0. Solve it. 2m equals negative 4. M equals negative 2. So let's do synthetic division. Let's see if it's hard or not. So 2, 18, 24, and negative 10. Yes, I'm going to learn how to write right-handed, guys. I know. That's on my to-do list. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 14. Negative 2 and 14 is negative 28. Negative 28 and 24 is negative 4. Negative 2 and negative 4 is positive 8. Then we get negative 2. Wait, that wasn't that bad. Hold on a second. Oh, I get it. I know why it wasn't bad. It's because when we did that, it got us a whole number, not a fraction. It's a bigger pain in the ass with the fraction. Alright, that's how you check it. If you get something like this and want to check it, go ahead. If you get a fraction, no, because you'll never finish your test. It's my recommendations. Wise words with Jesse there. So now you have another one. Is this better for you? There we go. I think it is. So anyhow, we have. So now we have to do. Now let's look at what we have to do. We did 11 and 12. Now I got number 13 to worry about. So. Number 13. Sorry about these shadows. I wish there was a way to eliminate it in Vegas or something, but I don't have time to video edit right now, so you get 7p cubed minus 31p squared plus 79p minus 70 divided by 7p minus 10. 7p and 7p cubed p squared, 7p cubed minus 10p squared multiplied by the inverse, or the conjugate, which I call it, negative 21p squared plus 79p. Not the conjugate you get in Spanish, that's a different kind. 7p and negative 21p squared, that gets you negative 3p, negative 21p squared plus 30p. Multiplied by a negative, that gets you a positive. That gets you a negative 49p minus 70. And then you do plus 7 to get 49p minus 70. Multiplied by the inverse again, get 0. So, number 13, it says it's a no. This is what I would like to point out to you guys. Mr. Durbin and I, for number 13, got two different answers. Well, the thing is that if you do something like this and check it using synthetics, I think my way is correct. I have evidence. 10 equals 10 over 7. Now watch. 10 over 7. 7, you got negative 31. You got... Hold on a sec, let me look at the paper. You got 79 and negative 70. 10 over 7 times 7, which that would just be 10. So that's 10. Negative 21. 10 times negative 21 over 7. 10 times negative 21 over 7. So then the thing is with this is you could find the least common multiple, which is the way I would do it. 7 and 70 times... Well, the thing is, I think that's only for... Wait, that's only for adding and subtracting. You can't do it this way. Okay, so it's 10 over 7 times negative 21. So then divide by 7, this becomes a negative 3. And divide by 7, this becomes a 1. So it's negative 30. So minus 30, you get 49. Do this very slowly and carefully, guys. This is a hard way of checking it. 7 times 7 is 49. This is a 1. 10 times 7 is 70. You guys dig? You guys dig? Alright, y'all. Then you do 10 over 7 times 49. Divided by 7, that's a 1. That's a 7. That gets you 70. So, that proves that this answer key for number 13, this answer is incorrect. No. I mean, everyone makes mistakes, so don't worry about it. I'll talk to him about it tomorrow, and I'll bring it to his attention. So, 13's done. Now, let's do something like, let's do 14. 14 is a bit harder. 7x cubed minus 6x squared, and then you're going to add a 0x divided by 7x minus 6. So, there we go. I can tilt it at a normal angle. So, 7x minus 6, 7x cubed, x squared, 7x cubed minus 6x squared, negative, that becomes a 0x squared plus a 0x, and that's a minus 6 there, so So that would be 7x, and so that would be plus 0x to get you 0x squared minus 0x. There's no point in bothering in doing this. This just makes sure you're doing it right. So those two terms basically, like, well, they drop out, but I would recommend keeping it because of this reason. So now you have 7x and 0. The thing is, 0 times 7 is going to get you 0. So it would be 0 times 7 gets you 0x. So that would get you, but then it gets me something else. Hold on a second. Let me look at this. 49x minus 42. That would be 42 minus 6, which is 36. That'll get me 36 as the remainder. But, alright, let me see something really quick. I think I made a mistake here. Let's use synthetic division to check it. Alright guys, synthetic division is your best friend sometimes in Algebra 2. I recommend it. So, you can do either 6 over 7 or 7 into 6. 8, 56, 4. 7 times 5 is 35. 5. So it's 0.85 repeating. 0.85 repeating. So, I would recommend keeping in fractional form, as it could make it easier for depending on the person. So now, let's plug it in. Let's plug and chug in synthetics. Yay, synthetics. Oh boy, guys. Oh boy, everybody. So you get 6 sevens. Then you get 7, negative 6, 0, and negative 6. So, 6 over 7 times 7 gets you just 6. The 7s cancel out. So that's 0. 6 over 7 times 0 obviously gets you 0, which is 0. 6 over 7 times 0 is 0. And and the thing is that you get negative 6. Now, so 6 over 7 times 7 gets you 6, 0. Yeah, that gets you 0. That gets you 0. So, we did something wrong in the process, I think. So, let's check it out. Let's see let's try to find what we did wrong, I think. I think that's what we should do. We should try to find out what we did wrong here. Because, oh, wait. Oh, it's cubed. Hold on a second. Yeah, wait. I don't think this is wrong, actually. I really don't, because I know the remainder is 36, right? But the thing is that you got 4 terms. Now, synthetic division is usually never wrong, so I could have made a mistake in the process. 6 sevens times 7 gets you just 6. 0, 0, no. Anyhow, that'll be the next video. That's it for today. Subscribe to 080594M127 for tech videos such as Windows 7, Ultimate 64-bit, math, and biology. Just send the video request to the guy named Jesse. Alright guys, I'll see you later.